How to delete your Snapchat account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Snapchat account. Now you won't be able to do so on your Snapchat application itself. You'll have to do from the Snapchat accounts portal. Now I'll just guide you on how you can head there. You can simply head into your browser on any of your device, and on the search bar what you want to do is you want to search in for delete Snapchat account. So simply search for it and you can see the very first option, how to delete or deactivate. Now that's just a help guide. Down below you can see Snapchat support and you can see delete or reactivate my account. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can tap on the option how do I deactivate or delete account, and here you can see here to deactivate or delete your account, log into Snapchat accounts portal. You want to tap on it. Now you can directly search for Snapchat account portal as well, but from here it'll be easier. Then you want to log into your account here. I'll just log in real quick. You can see your delete my account option here down below. You want to tap on it and then you want to enter in your password, tap on continue, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Snapchat account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.